Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I didn't film anything this morning because I woke up with a terrible sinus headache. So I'm finally getting my day started. I'm going to do some work today and then I will see what happens this afternoon. Thanks guys. Okay, so it is about 6:15 and we are going up to the center of our subdivision because they're having a lighting ceremony. I mean, we may get to see Santa and actually writes some letters to him. Hey, hope you guys are having a great day. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening and I am watching
Hi guys!
my niece, and my nephew is somewhere else at the moment. So these two are really crazy when they get together. Pray for me. Anyway, I'm about to start making some banana pudding because I got to do deliveries tomorrow for that as well. Okay, so I put my banana pudding in mason jars and I layer them. So the first thing I need to do is wash them really good and sanitize them. And then I'll get started on the banana pudding. Okay, so the pudding is in the refrigerator chilling. I couldn't film that because I needed both hands. But we've got some whipping cream and I'm about to whip that up so we can fold it into the pudding. Okay, so I am done with the pudding jars, and as you can see, they're all nice and layered. So I finished with my customers' orders, and this, of course, is the kids. I can't make banana pudding for others and not make banana pudding for them, but they don't like the bananas. So this is just vanilla wafers and pudding. And then there's a little bit left in the bowl here, and that's going to be for Alexis and the kids to consume right now. So yes, that is banana making 101. Okay, so it is getting toward the end of the day and I'm tired. I'm tired because I woke up this morning not feeling well, got a late start to the day, and then of course I still had to fill my orders, which is fine. So yes, I finally get to sit down and relax, and I just get to knit for a little bit and then just chill. It's Friday. Yay.